Bread is supposed to be safe, right? But last year, metal fragments in Dempster's and President's Choice bread blindsided loyal shoppers across Canada. Supermarket staff scrambled, social feeds exploded, and trust was broken in hours. So, how do you dodge the worst brands? And which loaves can you actually trust? Let's find out which Canadian breads pass the real test. Before we jump in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Clean Bite for more tasty updates and fresh content every day. 10. Country Harvest. Picture yourself sitting at the kitchen table, ready to make a hearty sandwich or toast with your favorite Country Harvest loaf. Maybe you've chosen the whole grains, because let's face it, the branding makes you feel just a little healthier. But in late 2024, the usual morning ritual gets a sudden twist. News alerts light up with a recall for Country Harvest bread and buns, all linked to pieces of metal hiding in the dough. Seriously, what actually happened? It's like a plot from a food safety thriller. The culprit wasn't a sneaky factory worker or even a broken machine. Turns out it was the salt. Yes, the most ordinary ingredient in the entire bakery, salt. In October and November 2024, a supplier's batch of salt used in bread production gets contaminated with metal fragments, likely from the manufacturing or transportation process. That contaminated salt quietly makes its way into huge runs of bread, all the way to homes and stores across Canada. It only takes a few customers to raise the alarm. A weird crunch, a glint of metal, or, worst case, a broken tooth. The Canadian Food Inspection Agency, CFIA, jumps into action, and suddenly, every loaf and bun from Country Harvest is under scrutiny. The recall notice, updated November 1st, 2024, reads like something from a detective novel. Do not eat, sell, or serve recalled products. You start to wonder, how can a simple ingredient create this much chaos? Are other breads at risk? The lesson sticks with you. One slip in the supply chain can land even the biggest brands in the headlines. Before you take another bite, you might want to scan that loaf for more than just the expiry date. But what about the brands that shaped your childhood? Let's see if the most famous name in bread gets caught up in the metal mess. 9. Wonder who hasn't seen that classic Wonder Bread logo. For generations, Canadian families have stuffed lunchboxes with those soft white slices, always trusting the balloon-colored branding. But all the nostalgia in the world can't stop a metal recall. In November 2024, the CFIA added Wonder Bread to its list for the exact same reason as Country Harvest, pieces of metal, courtesy of the salt supplier. This isn't just one batch or one store, it's a national issue. For parents, the shock hits double. Bread meant for kids' sandwiches suddenly isn't safe. Social media explodes with posts from worried moms and dads, sharing pictures, trading recall numbers, and swapping "did you check your lot code" advice. The twist? Many people bought bread days before the news broke. There's a frantic scramble to check kitchen shelves, toss open packages, and debate whether to risk another slice. The recall affects the very brand that built its reputation on safe for the whole family. That trust, built up over decades, starts to crack. But the damage ripples out even further. The news prompts people to look up every bread they've bought. One brand after another appears in the recall list. Suddenly, loyalty counts for nothing when it comes to metal in your sandwich. If Wonder's been hit, what about the brand that dominates almost every grocery store in Canada? 8. Dempster's is everywhere. Whole wheat, multigrain, English muffins, you name it. But in early November 2024, the biggest name in Canadian bread finds itself right at the center of the same crisis. The CFIA slaps a metal pieces recall on a sweeping range of Dempster's products. The headlines keep stacking up, and so do the numbers. Think about it. Dempster's isn't some niche bakery. They supply everything from school cafeterias to busy urban supermarkets. So when a recall lands, it hits millions of loaves. The problem is that you can't tell there's metal just by looking or sniffing. It takes one unlucky bite, or a quality control team on high alert for the news to go public. For Dempster's, the crisis spirals into a full PR scramble. The company issues apologies, promises deeper checks, and rushes to work with stores and the CFIA to pull everything off the shelves. Customers, already on edge from other bread recalls, now have another reason to question what's really in their food. Behind the scenes, the race is on to trace every batch, every lot code, every shipment. Grocery store workers find themselves answering anxious questions from regulars. Suddenly, even routine shopping feels stressful. Next up, a fancy bun that claims to bring Italy to your table. But this recall doesn't care about marketing. 7. D'Italiano promises the taste of Italy with every bun. Maybe you picked up a pack for burgers or to build the world's best meatball sub. But on November 1st, 2024, those plans got a rude interruption. D'Italiano is listed in the same metal and salt recall as its competitors. This recall doesn't discriminate. From Montreal to Vancouver, people toss out bags of soft golden buns that were supposed to bring old-world flair to dinner. Sandwich shops and caterers have to scramble, replacing buns for events and apologizing to confused customers. Some people spot odd textures or tiny glints in the bread and realize how close they came to a dental disaster. The CFIA's process is relentless. If the salt supply chain touches your bakery, your brand goes on the recall list. D'Italiano's reputation for premium taste suddenly doesn't matter. It's all about safety. If you thought premium brands might dodge these issues, you're about to see how wrong that is. Let's check the President's Pick. Next, 6. President's Choice. When you see President's Choice in the bread aisle, you expect a little more. Better ingredients, fancier packaging, maybe a healthier spin. But even President's Choice buns are not safe from the metal pieces recalled in November 2024. Here's the strange reality. Price doesn't protect you when there's a fundamental flaw in the supply chain. The contaminated salt runs through every brand that shares a supplier. President's Choice scrambles to reassure customers, but it's clear the issue is out of their hands. Customers feel betrayed. How can a brand that markets itself as the best wind up with the exact same recall as cheaper loaves? Some loyalists grumble on forums, wondering if premium branding is just a label game. Even as stores rush to clear out recalled products, shoppers are left with tough questions. If President's Choice can have this problem, what about the plainest, cheapest bread? Do budget brands fare any better? Let's find out. 5. No name. Maybe you buy no-name bread because it's simple, cheap, and does the job. No fancy labels, no health claims, just bread. But in November 2024, even the plainest packaging can't hide from the CFIA's metal recall. This is the brand for families, students, anyone trying to stretch a grocery budget. But suddenly, you can't trust even the basics. People who bought no-name loaves need to check their kitchen for specific lot codes, line up at customer service, and try to remember where they stashed their receipt. The real headache? For big families, it's not just one loaf. Sometimes it's 5 or 10. The hassle and wasted food add up. You might joke about having extra iron in your diet, but nobody laughs when their sandwich might crunch the wrong way. Recalls like this drive home the truth. Cheap doesn't mean you're safe from factory mistakes. In fact, widespread suppliers mean one contaminated ingredient travels fast and far. Before we dive into the next bread, remember subscribing to Clean Bite. We break down real food risks every day. Don't miss the next update. Still think store brands from big box retailers will do better? Wait for what happens at Walmart. 4. Great value. Walmart's Great Value label is supposed to deliver, well, value. But the November 2024 recall puts a price on trust. The same tainted salt triggers a nationwide recall for Great Value bread, pulling thousands of loaves off the shelves from coast to coast. For many, Walmart is the only big supermarket in town. When a recall hits Great Value, the impact is enormous. People rely on these loaves for everything from school lunches to weeknight dinners. Suddenly, everyone's got to check packaging, look up recall codes, and rethink their meal plans. Online, the jokes start. Should customers bring magnets to the bread aisle? But the mood changes fast when people remember how recalls work. One batch can slip through, and it only takes one unlucky bite to ruin your day. Walmart staff spend hours replacing stock and helping customers sort refunds. It's a costly lesson in how fast one ingredient error can ripple across a country. Time to see how another giant store brand copes with the crisis. What about Sobeys and Safeway? 3. Compliments. Compliments is Sobeys' house brand, with a reputation for affordability and dependability. But as November 2024 wears on, Compliments lands on the same CFIA recall. 4. You guessed it. Metal fragments in their bread and buns. If you're keeping score, almost every big brand and private label has now made the list. Customers check their pantries, finding loaves from Compliments that seemed perfectly normal just days ago. There's no way to spot metal with your eyes. The recall forces families to toss entire bags of bread, sometimes bought on sale or in bulk, leading to frustration and waste. Behind the scenes, bakery managers field tough questions, and Compliments has to rebuild customer trust from scratch. The recall makes clear, all brands using the same suppliers are vulnerable, no matter their label or price point. Let's shift gears. What about a brand with deep Quebec roots and history? 2. POM. Ask a Quebec family about bread. And POM is usually on the table. Decades of local pride and soft, airy loaves until November 5th, 2024. The CFIA includes POM in the big recall sweep, again tied to metal in the salt supply. The disappointment is real. POM is woven into Quebec culture, and a recall feels almost personal. Bakeries and households scramble to check their POM products against the recall list. Some people make the tough call to toss out untouched loaves. Others risk it and feel nervous at breakfast. The recall exposes a simple truth. Even legacy brands are only as safe as their supply chain. One factory, one bad batch, and heritage doesn't count for much. What about brands with a lower profile but a big presence on local shelves? That brings us to our last avoid entry. 1. Harvest Gold Harvest. Gold might not have the same national fame as Wonder or Dempster's, but it's still a regular choice for many Canadians. On November 5th, 2024, the CFIA added Harvest Gold to the now infamous list of recalled bread, all thanks to that single batch of metal-contaminated salt. For smaller brands like Harvest Gold, recalls hit hard. Loyal customers start to doubt, and stores quietly remove products, sometimes before shoppers even know there's a problem. One contaminated ingredient proves how interconnected the bread business is, from giant plants to local grocers. After 10 brands and weeks of recall chaos, Canadians are left wondering, is any bread safe? Should they bake their own, go gluten-free, or swear off sandwiches for good? But the story doesn't end in fear. There are still bread brands in Canada that keep their recipes clean and their safety game strong. 3. Silver Hills Sprouted Bakery. After all that drama, Silver Hills Sprouted Bakery is a breath of fresh air. Their recipe is simple. Start with organic sprouted whole grains and never add artificial preservatives or stabilizers. What you see is what you get. For families, that means more nutrients and fewer worries. Sprouted grains bring real science to the table. They're easier to digest and can even make vitamins and minerals more available to your body. Silver Hills prides itself on its transparency. Ingredient lists are short and honest, with no chemical names you can't pronounce. People who try Silver Hills often stick with it, even after recall news dies down. They see the value in paying a little more for food that doesn't play recall roulette. The taste is hearty, the texture is real, and the peace of mind is hard to beat. But maybe you want something even more minimalist. The next brand takes clean to the next level. 2. 1 Degree Organics. If you're the kind of shopper who actually reads the label, 1 Degree Organics is your dream come true. Their breads use ultra-short ingredient lists, sometimes as few as 4 or 5 items: sprouted flour, water, raisin puree, yeast, and salt. Every single ingredient is traceable back to a real farm, often with a QR code or batch lookup. Their philosophy is built on full transparency. You don't have to guess about natural flavors or hidden preservatives. Customers rave about the taste, but they come back for the trust. No weird surprises, no complicated recall math. After seeing how recalls start with mysterious suppliers, a bread brand that puts every ingredient on display feels like a relief. You can explain what's in your sandwich to your kids, your doctor, or yourself. No dictionary needed. If you're loving this breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe to Clean Bites. Every episode helps you shop smarter and eat safer. Join the family for more real food stories. Want something you can pick up fresh with zero packaging? There's one more option. 1. Cobb's Bread. Cobb's Bread is all about one thing: freshness. Everything is baked daily, right in front of you. No preservatives, no stabilizers, no science experiments. When you walk into a Cobb's bakery, you see real people making real bread from scratch. Their white loaf and many of their other breads are clearly labeled preservative-free. You can ask staff about ingredients, watch the baking process, and feel confident knowing the loaf in your hand didn't spend weeks in a warehouse. For people fed up with recalls, COBS is a taste of bakery tradition. If the recall crisis taught Canadians anything, it's that factory shortcuts and long supply chains carry hidden risks. Bakeries like Cobb's bring food safety back to the community level. It's bread as it should be: simple, fresh, and honest. Bread is supposed to be simple, but Canada's 2024 recall storm showed how fast one small mistake can ripple through every kitchen. Now you know which brands to trust, which to avoid, and why the simplest ingredient lists are often the best. Before you leave, hit like and subscribe to Clean Bite. Next time you grab a loaf, you'll shop smarter and maybe help your friends dodge the next food safety drama. Your next story is just a click away. Don't stop at bread. There's a whole world of hidden food secrets waiting to be uncovered. Tap the next video, and let's keep exploring together.